सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Vascon Engineers Limited has received a letter of intent worth 225.46 crore from Royal Rights Private Limited for the construction of two terminal buildings and ropeway tower works in Panaji and Race Magos, Goa. The project, awarded on a design and build basis, is to be completed within 36 months from the date of the letter of intent. Itcons E-Solutions Limited has received a work order from the Southeast Central Railway, Indian Railways for providing two manpower resources on a contractual basis for 1 year. The total value of the order is 13,13,055 Indian rupees and 60 paise. Rajesh Power Services Limited, RPSL, has secured new orders worth 1,116 crore. The orders involve turnkey contracts for height underground/overhead networks, 220/66 of a kilovolt/AI substations, and 132 kilovolts/66 kilovolts underground cables in Gujarat. These projects are expected to be completed within 12 to 18 months. Web Solutions Limited received a demand order for tax, interest, and penalty totaling 47,73,619 Indian rupees from the Joint Commissioner of Commercial Taxes Appeals 1, Bengaluru, for the fiscal year 2017-18. The demand pertains to GST, interest, and penalty related to allegedly short paid tax or wrongly availed input tax credit. The company states that this order will not have a material impact on its financials, operations, or other activities. PNC Infratech Limited has been declared the lowest bidder, L1, for a flyover construction project in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. The project, awarded by PWD Rajasthan, is valued at 239.94 crore and involves the construction of a flyover from Hiradas Chauraha to Kumher Gate Chauraha. The project is to be executed within 24 months. This disclosure is pursuant to SEBI regulations and the company's insider trading policy. Sumi Conveyor Beltings Limited has secured orders worth 4,864 rupees and 54 paise lakh. The major order is from NLC India Limited for steel cord conveyor belts worth 4,780 rupees and 51 paise lakhs. Another order is from Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited for 84 rupees and 3 paise lakhs. The orders are to be executed within 220 days. Bondara Engineering Limited has received a work order from Dinesh Engineers Limited for the supply of 55 40-meter towers with accessories. The order value is 5,93,38,719 rupees, including GST, and is to be executed within 8 months. The supplies are for domestic projects in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Gateway Distripast Limited has received a settlement order from the Income Tax Department under the Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024. This settles tax disputes for various assessment years, reducing the company's tax liability from an initial demand of 2,88,25,871 Indian rupees to 1,90,85,518 Indian rupees. The company paid the settled amount upon filing Form 3, eliminating further interest and penalties. This settlement doesn't significantly impact the company's operations or activities. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।